What if I told you that a rocket engine has just been created that doesn't burn fuel, doesn't use flames, doesn't have moving parts, and doesn't even need a traditional fuel tank? It sounds impossible because for over a century, rocket science has depended on explosions and combustion. But France has just broken that rule. Engineers have developed a revolutionary rocket engine powered by electromagnetic plasma, a system that challenges everything we thought rockets had to be. This is not a small upgrade. This is a fundamental rewrite of how humanity reaches space. Welcome back to VibeVerse, the home of smart, viral, daily content where futuristic technology, bold innovation, and mind-blowing science collide. If you love discoveries that feel like science fiction but are happening right now, hit subscribe and join the VibeVerse family. Today, we're diving into a breakthrough that could redefine space exploration itself: France's plasma-based rocket engine. A design so radical it may mark the beginning of a brand new era in aerospace history. Fact 1: rockets have always relied on fire. Until now, since the first rockets were invented, propulsion has depended on chemical combustion. Fuel burns, gases explode outward, and rockets move forward. This method works, but it's inefficient, heavy, expensive, and environmentally damaging. Massive fuel tanks are required, making rockets bulky and costly. Until now, there was no alternative. Fact 2: France's engine uses plasma, not fuel. The new French engine replaces fire with electromagnetic plasma. Plasma is the fourth state of matter, an energized gas where particles are electrically charged. Instead of burning fuel, this engine creates and controls plasma using electromagnetic fields, producing thrust without combustion. Fact 3: no fuel tank, no flame, no moving parts. This is the most shocking part. No fuel tanks, no explosions, no turbines or pistons, no mechanical moving components. The engine relies purely on electromagnetic forces to accelerate plasma particles and generate thrust. This drastically reduces mechanical complexity and potential failure points. Fact 4: how electromagnetic plasma creates thrust by applying powerful electromagnetic fields. Engineers can guide plasma particles at extremely high velocities. When these charged particles are expelled, they generate thrust according to Newton's third law, the same fundamental principle used by traditional rockets, but without combustion. The result is smoother, more controlled propulsion. Fact 5: why this makes rockets lighter and more efficient. Traditional rockets carry most of their weight as fuel. Removing the need for heavy fuel tanks instantly makes spacecraft lighter. Lighter spacecraft require less energy to launch, which reduces cost, increases payload capacity, and improves overall efficiency. This single change could dramatically lower the price of access to space. Fact 6: a more sustainable path to space. Chemical rockets release large amounts of pollution and greenhouse gases. Plasma-based propulsion systems produce far fewer emissions, making launches cleaner and more environmentally friendly. As space activity increases globally, this kind of technology could help prevent space exploration from becoming a major environmental problem. Fact 7: why this is a huge engineering achievement. Containing plasma is extremely difficult. Plasma is unstable, chaotic, and incredibly hot. Keeping it contained, guided, and directed requires precision electromagnetic control. The fact that France has demonstrated a working plasma propulsion concept proves that decades of theoretical physics are now becoming practical engineering reality. Fact 8: this technology could change deep space missions. Plasma engines are especially promising for long-duration space missions. Because they are more efficient, spacecraft could travel farther using less energy. Missions to Mars, asteroids, and deep space could become faster, cheaper, and more reliable. This could dramatically expand humanity's reach beyond Earth orbit. Fact 9: this breakthrough redefines rocket design. For decades, rocket design has been constrained by fuel chemistry. Engineers optimize tanks, combustion chambers, and exhaust nozzles, but never escape the combustion model. Plasma propulsion removes those constraints entirely, opening the door to radically new spacecraft architectures that were previously impossible. Fact 10: a symbol of the future of space exploration. This engine isn't just about propulsion, it represents a shift in mindset. Humanity is moving away from brute force explosions toward precise energy control. From chemical fire to electromagnetic fields, space travel is becoming cleaner, smarter, and more advanced. France's breakthrough may be remembered as the moment rockets evolved beyond fire. Conclusion: the dawn of a new space age. France's electromagnetic plasma rocket engine proves that the future of space exploration doesn't have to look like the past. No flames, no fuel tanks, no explosions. Just pure physics, controlled energy, and human ingenuity pushing the limits of what's possible. This technology could make launches cheaper, cleaner, and more efficient, opening space to more nations, more missions, and more discoveries than ever before. If this breakthrough blew your mind, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe to VibeVerse for more smart, viral, daily stories that show how tomorrow's world is being built today. Space has always challenged us. Now, we're learning to challenge space back.